Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial from SQL tutorial series, and in this session I would like to talk about the check constraint. So let's get started. Actually, the check constraints allows us to create more customized constraints that adhere to a certain condition, such as making sure all inserted integer values fall below a certain threshold. So, for example, I want to create a table, as in the name is example. So I'm writing the create table example process, and then I'm defining the ex underscore id as a serial for primary key, and then I would like to insert the age value greater than 21. So if it's the less than 21, then definitely I want to have an error or not insert the value. In that case, I'm defining, for example, the age as a small integer, and then writing check, parentheses open, age greater than 21, parentheses close. In this command, you will define the condition age greater than 21. And I want to also define the parent age, which shouldn't less than the age value, which means that shouldn't insert less than 21. So in that case, parent age will define as a small integer, and then I'm defining the condition with the check, parentheses, and then the condition. What is the condition? Parent underscore age greater than age. So this is the examples to understand about the check, and let's jump to the pgAdmin to do some practices and to see how it will work in a real scenario. Okay, I have the pgAdmin here, and let's go to query tool. Okay, now I want to create some table and then insert some values on that one. But before that, when I'm creating the table, I would like to add some condition, and then to see that how these conditions with inserting the value will be matched. So I'm using the create and using for the table, I'm giving the name as employees and then parentheses open, and empty ID as a serial, and I'm defining as a primary key, and then I'm giving as a first name, let's give it the length as a 50 and not null, and then last name char as a length as a 50, give it as a not null. Then let's give them the birth date as a date, and then define the condition. What is the condition? I'm saying that birth date greater than 1990. Okay, then let's say salary, and give it as an integer, and check this salary, we greater 0. Okay, then let's add this table. Okay, perfect. And remove this and let everything from employees. Let's see. Yeah, we have the EMP ID, first name, last name, birth date, and salary. Okay, good. Then let me add some values into tables, insert into employees. Then let me define as first name, last name, birth date, and salary. And then values, let's give it John. Second one, let's give it this Williams. Then let's give it and let's give it 100. Okay. Let me see what is the name of the table which I created here. Let me check. I think I made a mistake for the wording. Employees. Yeah. So. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here is saying that for relation employee violate the check constraint employee birthday check. So now because it's violate the conditions for the birthday check, that's why it cannot. So let's add this 1999. Here you go. It's yes, it's here, and you can see here this is the John Williams. Here's a birth date and the salary. Let's add another condition here. For example, let's say Jose and Smith Yeah, this is okay, and I'm giving the minus because the salary should be greater than 0, so I'm giving the minus. So let's see. Yeah, here you go. You see, this is employee salary check. There is a problem, and it cannot save this value because it's negative. So if I remove this negative, then you can see it's inserted. Let's go to this one, and you see Jose, which means this is the birthday, which is can meet the conditions, and also the salary, which also can meet the condition. But previously we tried as a negative, and it didn't work and gave us the error because it cannot meet the condition. Okay, that's all. If you enjoyed from this tutorial, please don't forget to like button, and if you have any question, drop your question in comment below. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you again, and see you next one.